The government shutdown is about to enter its second week now, and its impacts are growing larger. One of the newest victims, the local real estate market. KZI 9 News reporter Na Nguyen joins us live in the studio with a look at how the housing industry is dealing with the stoppage. Na?
Matt, last week, less than 4% of the U.S. Housing and Urban Development Department was on the job. And that lack of employees working is impacting folks all over, including right here in town. Those in the housing market industry say this shutdown is definitely putting a damper on things. While many things have stopped on the other side of the country, life and work continues to go on for the staff here at Guild Mortgage Company, but not without a few speed bumps. It says many may be worried about their mortgages not closing on time, but
the truth is that those are going on. We are having a couple of little delays here and there, but a lot of the investors are making accommodations for that.
Staff say things were rocky last week, but at this point, it's mostly those waiting for approval of their USDA loans that are out of luck. About 5 to 10% of the company's deals are stuck until Uncle Sam opens for business again.
It feels a little bit like a government bureaucracy, and we're kind of just ready for it to be over and go on to status quo.
And loan officers aren't the only ones wishing this would all just come to an end. Realtors specializing in short sales are having a tough time too.
If a seller has an FHA loan and they're doing a short sale on their property, there are very, very tight guidelines on that. So we are seeing in those cases that we're not going to be able to get to closing at this point in time because we're waiting for, we're really being impacted by the government shutdown.
Overall, both groups say the actual damage is minimal for now, but the uncertainty is definitely disconcerting.
Everything that happens definitely affects the stock market, which affects the interest rate. So I think that there's definitely some volatility there that makes people concerned.
And that may have the biggest impact of all.
The consumer confidence is the biggest issue, and people may or may not be wanting to make a home purchase until they know that everything is going to be moving forward.
Now, people we've talked to since all of this started say they hope the shutdown ends soon. But at this time, it looks as though the matter will likely drag on until at least October 17th, which is the deadline for raising the debt ceiling. Live in the studio, Na Nguyen, KZI 9 News.